Spiffy Shield is a two-part application process designed to disinfect and protect. The first part is EPA-approved to kill bacteria, fungi, and viruses in the car, including COVID-19. To achieve 99.999% effectiveness, surfaces must remain wet for 10 minutes. The second part provides an antimicrobial barrier that lasts up to 3 months on any surface that it touches, including hard and soft vehicle surfaces, as well as ventilation systems. Both parts are applied with a portable air compressor and sprayer, which are included in the starter kit. Let's learn how it works. First, open all the car doors and the trunk. Remove the floor mats throughout the vehicle and place them face up on the ground close by. Connect the air compressor and sprayer with the sprayer on top. Then, unscrew the Step 1 solution and pour it into the top of the sprayer. Start by applying Step 1 from the driver's side. Begin with the inside of the door panel. Pull the seatbelt out, making sure to get the webbing, buckle, and seatbelt receptacle before doing the seat itself. Next, carefully spray the headliner. If the headliner gets too saturated, the adhesive can lose effectiveness and cause sagging. Next, move on to the dashboard. Spray the vents, steering wheel, cup holders, and center console. If your car has an LCD navigation screen or other sensitive electronics, don't spray the product directly onto them. Instead, spray into a microfiber towel and delicately treat the electronics. Continue going over high-touch areas in the interior, leaving nothing untreated. Don't forget about the door locks, window controls, turn signal, and wiper controls. Move in a counterclockwise direction from the driver's side and continue to apply the solution to the rear and passenger seats. After you're finished with the interior, move on to the high-touch areas outside of the car. This includes door handles, door pillars, the window near the door jamb, any areas you touch when opening and closing the door, gas door and gas cap, the hood itself near the hood latch. Work your way around to the trunk and treat all surfaces, including exterior door handles and any buttons or handles inside the trunk lid. Then, spray the floor mats. If you have leftover product after thoroughly spraying all surfaces, you can pour the product back into the bottle for future use. Step 2 follows the same process as Step 1. You can turn the car off before you begin. Pour the Step 2 solution into the sprayer and cover the same interior and exterior high touch points. Once you've thoroughly covered all the surfaces, including the floor mats and the keys, you can pour any leftover product back into the bottle for future use. After completing Part 2, wipe down any excess product with a microfiber towel. With all the interior and exterior high touch spots completed, along with the ventilation system, you can be confident your vehicle is disinfected and protected for the next 3 months.